not going to do it on public transport where I'm sitting.
Okay.
I was there. You did not even have the decency to ask me if you can do it.
I don't need your permission.
Yeah, you need my permission to invite my privacy in my space.
You are over there, I'm over here.
Yeah, but your noise that you make
Okay.
travels.
If you have an issue,
I do have an issue
move
with it.
along,
I do
bro.
have an issue with it.
Move
Do you see
along.
anybody of any other faith sitting here doing their morning prayers?
I don't care if
No,
they
you
do.
know why? Because they respect other people.
Stop
And
shouting.
that's your problem.
Stop
You've got
shouting.
no respect for other people.
Change for the Circle Line.
That's your problem. You've got no respect for other
You're a
people.
big man, act your age.
Yeah, I'm a big man.
Act your age.
I'm a big man.
Act your age.
Yeah.
Well done. Children shout.
Yeah,
I
I'm
don't
not shouting
think-
you. I'm telling you, what you are doing is invading other people's space.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No one's having a problem
Yes,
with
you
it.
are.
All right.
Nobody wants to tell you to stop because they are too careful. Because oh my
Don't talk
God,
to
don't
everybody,
touch a
talk-
Muslim. Let me tell you something. This is a Christian country. You
Okay.
behave in our manners and the way that we do things.